Hey, it's Mike from Tool and Knives. What I'll be doing today is the heat treat and tempering on the special build that I've been posting. Try to give you a little explanation of what is going on with the heat treating and tempering process. There is my forge that I use for heat treating. It's small, but it does everything I need it to do. The blade that I will be heat treating is the follow along build, special build that I've been posting. That is a 1095 high carbon steel. You'll see a magnet set up on the end of my bench. What I do to make sure that I get a proper heat treat is, right now the blade is magnetic. It will become non-magnetic at the correct temperature, and I also watch the color. But before I actually do the final heat treat on it, what I do is thermal cycle. What I'll do is get the blade up to the proper temperature. It becomes non-magnetic. Then I'll air cool it until it becomes magnetic again, and then I'll repeat the process. I will do that 2 or 3 times, and that just helps make the blade a lot stronger. Once I get it up to the final temperature and color, I'll check it, make sure that it's non-magnetic. Then it goes very quickly into the oil quench bucket. After it's in the quenching bucket to cool it off, it's only in there 10-15 seconds. I'll check it with a file to make sure that it is hard, and then it's going to go into the toaster oven that has been highly modified to hold real tight tolerances. I will temper the blade at 425 degrees, which is 218 Celsius, and that's why you're seeing that on the display right now. It is getting preheated. I do 2 1-hour cycles. In between the 2 cycles, I let it air cool to ambient temperature, and once the second cycle is done, it's done. So this is basically my setup. Once I get the forge going and the knife in there, I will try to do another little short video to show you a little bit of the process, but it is hard to video, hold the knife and do everything at the same time. But this here will give you an idea of what is involved to get a heat treat and temper on the blade. Hope you enjoy the video.